Despite what you see behind me, I didn't almost just get run over by a speeding car. Here at MCOE, we have an amazing arts and media program. Together, we are teaming up for Gone in 60 Seconds, a convenient one-day overview on how to create digital book reports. This workshop will feature technology skills as they line up with the new media arts and theater standards, with the goal of creating dynamic book report tutorials for your students and encouraging them to make a digital library of reviews. Register today for the March 7th workshop and never get a boring book report again.